Sir, excuse me.
Well done. It looks like
former speakers. Distinguished ladies and can we have some silence, please? Silence. Don't cover anybody. PDP Governors Forum held its inaugural meeting under my distinguished leadership here at Akwa Ibom Governor's Lodge today, Tuesday, 11th July 2023. At the end of the meeting, the following issues were discussed. 1. The meeting resolved to work together and unite the forum. The aim of the forum is to provide a platform for peer review of issues, policies, programs, and achievements, that is legacy projects of member governors across the PDP states. The meeting advised the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, the security agencies, the federal government to be neutral in the conduct of the off-season elections in Bayelsa, Kogi, and Imo states. The meeting noted the deteriorating security situation in the country, especially the wanton destruction of lives and properties in Plateau and Zamfara states, among other states. It consequently advised the federal government and security agencies to rise to the situation and bring the situation under control. In the interim, the forum will cooperate with the federal government on issues concerning the welfare of Nigerians and good governance, while striving to maintain the independence and autonomy of the forum through offering constructive criticisms where necessary. Thank you very much.
Excellency, what did the forum say about the...
Well, this is an issue of the party. It's a party issue. This is a PDP Governors Forum. We are going to tackle this through the respective organs of the party. Any other question?
Secondly, the Nigerians want to also find out what the forum is doing as regards to reconciling the party, because you told the party that
Reconciliation is a continuous process. Yes, we are not insulated by from division and rancor like any other party, even the ruling party. You can see they have their own tons and tons of problems and challenges. Ours is even minimal, but as a responsible party, we are going to work towards making sure all the veritable members of the party are reconciled.
And you have 12 out of the 13 governors. So
You can see we have 12 out of the 13 governors. We are united and we work towards build on that and make sure that even those who are former governors, former senators and the rest remain in the party, because this is the future. No, he has sent an apology to me that he has very serious state duties to attend and that he is with us. In fact, he was the one who set the date for this meeting and the time. So and he's the vice chairman, so he's definitely with us. There is no any division. Yes. Any other comment, please?
Okay. You know, put that in. Okay, this way.
How are you?